and welcome to the Unit 5 screener, which you will click on that link and go to the Bridges Writable PDF app. So you'll click 3 because you're in 3rd grade. Then you will go to the Bridges Unit Assessments and you will go to Unit 5 and hit the Grade 3 Unit 5 screener. And you will click on Get Started. Now don't mind all of my scribble there. I'll clear all my drawings. If that's there for some reason, just clear out all the drawings. And what you'll do is you can, of course, zoom in here. And you will just write in with your tools or your text box, whichever you would prefer, your answers if you are taking this online. So task 1 is wanting to know if I can find the total number of objects in an array without counting them one at a time. So task 1, how many squares are in this array? Use numbers, words, and or sketches to show how you found the total without counting the squares one at a time. So you can do that to double check your answer, but we don't want you to count it one at a time. Use what you know from our unit before with arrays. So there are blank squares in this array. Down here you will write, or you can type out using the text box, how you found the total number of squares. Then task number 2, you'll scroll down. It says I can answer questions about groups. Task 2, how many groups of 3 are there in 15? Use number, sketches, and or words to show how you know. Again, you can type it out. And that's your answer. You can just move it down. So we know that this goes down here as your answer. And then you can draw in here. There are blank groups of 3 in 15. Then you will continue and say, I can solve a sharing story problem. So for task 3, you'll solve this problem. It says, 3 friends did chores and earned $12 yesterday. How much will they each get if they split the money evenly? So solve that problem and show your work however you'd like, and then write the answer here. They will each get blank dollars. When you are done, you'll go to the next page. And if you forgot something on the previous page, on page 1, that's fine. Just go back. Your work will still be there. And then click on the next page. Again, if that's there, that's kind of weird, and I'm sorry. But again, you can just clear your drawings. Nope, not like that. There you go. And you'll do task 4, where I can find and solve multiplication equations that represent different situations. So task 4, you're going to draw a line from each of the problems here to the matching equation over here on the right-hand side. And then you will write the answer down for each of the multiplication equations here. So for A, it says 3 sea stars, 5 legs each. How many legs in all? After you solve that, figure that out. Which one does it go with over here? Draw the line. For B, you'll do the same thing. Figure out which equation matches this picture here. For 4 loops, 3 x's in each. How many x's in all? And then for C, 5 bikes, 2 wheels each. How many wheels in all? Which equation matches all those pictures? And don't forget to write in the answer. When you are done, this is what you will do then. You'll click on that box with the arrow jumping out of it. It means like, get me out of here, share me. Easiest way to do this is to copy your link. Just say copy link. Then you'll go back to the slide that you got the screener from, and you can just paste that link right in there. And then what you can do is you can just share this with your teacher. Now, what you will have to do, where underneath where it says get link, you have to just make sure it's not on restricted. You want to make sure it's either says Council Rock School District or anyone with the link. I just do anyone just to be safe. Hit done. And then you can share it with your teacher. So I'll share it with myself. Click on it and then hit send. And then we will get your link for your Unit 5 screener. Any questions? Just holla. Bye-bye.